let's note down this permanent hard water. This is caused by the presence of calcium sulfate or magnesium sulfate in water. We are saying what happens is when acid rain falls on rocks containing magnesium sulfate or calcium sulfate, these rocks are dissolved away, hence forming hard water, hence forming permanent hardness of water. We can note this and say when rain falls on rocks, when rain falls on rocks containing calcium or containing calcium sulfate or magnesium sulfate, it dissolves some. It dissolves some, hence causing permanent hardness of water. Let's look at causes, let's look at something so interesting. Let's look at the advantages and disadvantages of hard water. Let's look at the advantages and disadvantages of hard water. Let's first look at the disadvantages of hard water. Basically, what are the disadvantages of hard water? Yes, because hard water definitely has disadvantages, and the disadvantages of hard water, they usually outweigh the advantages of hard water. Disadvantages. Usually hard water, it wastes soap, since it does not form leather readily with soap. Yeah, it wastes soap. That's one. It wastes soap. It wastes soap since it does not form leather easily with soap. Two, It leaves dirty marks on the cloth. It leaves dirty marks on the cloth. It leaves dirty marks on the cloth. Usually dirty marks on the cloth are due to the formation of what we call scum. Yeah, dirty marks on the cloth are due to scum. Dirty marks on the cloth are due to scum. Yeah, we need to discover what scum is. Scum, another name for scum is calcium sterlate. Another name for scum is calcium sterlate. Yeah, so what causes this scum? Scum is caused by the reaction of calcium ions from hard water and sterlate ions of soap. Scum is caused by the reaction of calcium ions from hard water and sterlate ions from soap. That means when calcium ions from hard water react with sterlate ions from soap, then scum is produced. We are saying the equation for this: when calcium ions from hard water react with sterlate ions from soap, then we get calcium sterlate. We get calcium sterlate, and this calcium sterlate is scum. So it is formed by calcium ions from hard water. The calcium ions are from hard water, and the sterlate ions are from soap. So calcium ions, when reacted with sterlate ions, forms scum, and scum forms dirty marks on the cloth. Hard water causes what we call fur inside the kettles, and fur is a bad conductor of heat. It is a poor conductor of heat. Hard water forms fur, and fur refers to calcium or magnesium carbonate. Scum refers to calcium or magnesium carbonate. And this scum, they are inside the kettles. Scum that is formed inside the kettles destroys kettles because this fur, it is a bad conductor of heat. Yeah, fur is a poor conductor, is a poor of heat, and so wastes a lot of fuel. It wastes a lot of fuel. Hard water forms what we call boiler scales inside the boilers, which also, these boiler scales being poor conductors of heat, okay, they also waste a lot of fuel. Yeah, we can note down this. It forms hard water, forms boiler scales, inside boilers, and this wastes fuels, and this wastes fuels because boiler scales are poor conductors of heat. They are poor conductors of heat. Let's look at the advantages of hard water.